Welcome to MotoMarket Explorer, your home for real vintage finds. Today, we're exploring 10 classic motorcycles for sale across America, each one packed with history, soul, and character. Let's dive in. 1. 1992 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Trike, $8,000, Seminole, Florida. The 1992 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Trike is the kind of machine that turns heads anywhere it goes. It's built for riders who love the commanding presence of a Harley, but prefer the stability of three wheels. Outfitted with a Dyna Trike kit, it rides smooth and stable even on long highways. The Vance & Hines exhaust brings that unmistakable Harley rumble, and the full touring setup with detachable box, passenger seat, and Bluetooth stereo makes it perfect for weekend adventures or long-distance cruising. The engine has been completely overhauled, all fluids replaced with synthetic, and the new belt ensures reliability for thousands of miles ahead. For under 10 grand, it's a fully loaded classic that combines comfort, power, and heritage in one incredible ride. 2. 1987 Honda Magna, $3,000, Gulfport, Mississippi. Honda's Magna series was legendary in the 80s for blending cruiser style with V4 performance. This 1987 model keeps that legacy alive. With a clean title, new clutch included, and stock handlebars reinstalled, it's both powerful and comfortable. The bike's 700cc V4 engine delivers silky smooth torque, giving you effortless acceleration and that distinctive Honda reliability. The seller planned to turn it into a bobber, but decided to keep it original, and that's a blessing for collectors. Whether you're after a daily cruiser or a weekend warrior, this Magna offers classic looks with modern ease of ownership. 3. 1977 Triumph Tiger 750 TR7 RV, $3,500, DeLand, Florida. This 1977 Triumph Tiger is pure British class, the kind of bike that carries decades of stories in every scratch and shine. Recently restored with care, it's had nearly every critical system refreshed. New wiring harness, electronic ignition, coils, tires, brakes, and even a new exhaust system. The iconic parallel twin engine is tuned and ready, giving that throaty Triumph note that defined an era. The seller describes it as well-preserved with patina, meaning it hasn't been over-restored. It still wears its original soul proudly. For those who understand vintage Triumphs, this one isn't just a motorcycle, it's a living piece of motorcycling history. 4. 1981 Yamaha XJ550 Maxim Sika package, $2,500, Hardeeville, South Carolina. Sometimes simplicity is what makes a bike timeless, and the Yamaha XJ550 Maxim is exactly that. With less than 4,000 original miles, this survivor feels like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Compact, light, and smooth, it's perfect for beginners or those who want a vintage machine that's easy to maintain. The Sika package gives it a sportier stance and better handling, while the inline-4 engine remains one of Yamaha's most dependable designs. The seller includes extra parts and a clean title, making this an easy, affordable entry into classic ownership that can still be enjoyed daily. 5. 1985 BMW K100 Cafe Racer, $6,000, Charlotte, North Carolina. This 1985 BMW K100 blends German engineering with cafe racer attitude. Known as the Flying Brick, the K100's 987cc engine is famous for its smoothness and reliability. This particular bike has been transformed with custom touches, a clean, minimalist frame, cafe seat, and upgraded lighting. Recently serviced with new gaskets, filters, and fluids, it's ready to ride anywhere. The craftsmanship reflects a love for detail, and the mechanical foundation is pure BMW precision. For riders who crave vintage charm with modern reliability, this K100 is the perfect intersection of form and function. 6. 1986 Kawasaki ZG1000 Concourse, $1,700, Seminole, Florida. Built for the open highway, the 1986 ZG1000 Concourse was Kawasaki's answer to long-distance touring. This one-owner classic has been well cared for, with new brakes, fresh tires, and recent valve adjustments. The carbs were rebuilt to include overflow prevention, a thoughtful update for long-term reliability. With luggage included, it's ready for commuting or cross-country rides. Under the fairings lies a bulletproof 997cc engine that can easily go beyond 100,000 miles. It's a workhorse that proves you don't need to spend big to enjoy comfort and performance on two wheels. 7. 1973 Norton 850 Commando Roadster, $8,000, Middleburg, Florida. The Norton Commando remains one of the most admired British motorcycles of all time, and for good reason. The 850 Roadster version delivers that iconic twin-cylinder punch, combined with smooth handling and unmatched style. This particular bike comes with a clean title, new chain, fresh battery, and new tires, ready to ride. The seller's parting with it only due to a knee injury that makes kickstarting difficult, so it's a well-loved machine, not neglected. Nortons like this are becoming increasingly collectible, and this one offers a perfect mix of originality and functionality. 8. 1982 Suzuki GS 850 Cathay Racer, $4,000. Cumming, Georgia. A bold reinvention of a Japanese classic. This Suzuki GS 850 has been transformed into a cafe racer with metallic green flake paint that glows in the sunlight. Beyond looks, the mechanicals have been fully refreshed. New tires, oil, and filters. The GS 850's inline-4 engine provides smooth acceleration and bulletproof reliability, making it a fantastic daily rider or weekend cruiser. It's light, balanced, and stylish, a bike that brings both vintage charm and modern creativity to the road. 9. 1968 BSA A65S Spitfire, $5,000, Winter Garden, Florida. This 1968 BSA Spitfire isn't a garage queen, it's a rider's bike, built for real enjoyment. The 650cc twin starts on the first or second kick, with that signature British rumble that every classic fan loves. The gas tank has just been replaced, and the seller includes 2 more as spares. With new fuel, oil, and battery, this bike's ready to go. The Spitfire was known for being one of the fastest British twins of its time, and this one carries that same raw performance, perfect for those who want classic style with authentic bite. 10. 1975 Moto Guzzi 850T, $4,700, New Smyrna Beach, Florida. Italian charm meets mechanical brilliance in the 1975 Moto Guzzi 850T. With its 850cc transverse V-twin and shaft drive, it delivers a ride that's smooth yet full of character. This example has 28,000 miles and has clearly been well cared for. The brown paint and chrome accents give it that understated elegance Guzzi fans adore. Comfortable for long rides, yet agile in the corners, this 850T is both a collectible and a practical vintage motorcycle, the kind that makes you fall in love with riding all over again. And that wraps up our list of 10 incredible classic motorcycles for sale. Which one would you choose to ride home? Let us know in the comments. This is MotoMarket Explorer. See you on the next ride.